Excel has been releasing multiple features which help and assist with understanding the data in our spreadsheets. And one of them is I'm going to introduce you to that is lying under the Review tab. If you click here, and it's called Workbook Statistics. So Excel counts everything for you and gives you a visibility of the data you have in your spreadsheet. It gives you a very clear picture of current statistics, not only on the current tab or the worksheet that you have, but on the rest of the workbook as well. So you go to the Review tab, and there you click on to the Workbook Statistics. The moment you click here, you can find some statistics that can be helpful for you to understand the data. For example, end of the spreadsheet, that is N13. Now, this makes perfect sense for me because N13 is where actually my spreadsheet is supposed to close. But in the case if I have data only here and it demonstrates that the end of the spreadsheet is, let's say, N6500, this means that my spreadsheet is occupying unnecessary empty cells and I need to remove them, which will eventually help me in reducing the size of this file. Cells with data, you can see 78. Any tables on the spreadsheet? No, nothing. Any formulas? Yes, we have 26 formulas in this spreadsheet. While there is a analysis for the workbook as well. How many spreadsheets we have? 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Cells with data, 199. Tables, 1. Formulas, 26. So this means that only this spreadsheet has formulas. Everywhere else is pure data line. Now, the tables, where is the table? If I want to see, I'll have to click onto the spreadsheets here, and this is the table here. By the way, this is not a table. This is just the data in multiple cells. It's technically not a table unless we press Control T and make it a table. Control T and table. Now it's a table as well. This means now if I click on the Review tab, it should show me 2 tables. There you go. We have 2 tables now. So in a nutshell, this workbook statistics, one of the newest features that we have in Excel, helps us to understand the dynamics of the worksheet we are working with, and anything unusual can help us to understand why the Excel spreadsheet is not in line with the data we have.